If your Android keyboard is not working properly, or you're facing typing lag, autocorrect issues, or keyboard not showing, here's a quick fix you should try. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now go to Apps. After that, tap on App Management, depending on your device. Scroll down and find Gboard, which is your keyboard app, and tap on it. Next, open the Storage Usage and Cache option. Here, you'll see two important options, Clear Cache and Clear Storage. First, tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files and helps fix minor keyboard issues like typing delay or keyboard lag. Then, tap on Clear Storage or Clear Data. This will reset your keyboard completely to default settings, which can fix problems like keyboard not opening, crashing, or incorrect predictions. Now go back and try using your keyboard again. And yeah, in most cases, this simple reset will fix Android keyboard problems instantly.